Hello guys, I'll be back from my vacation. I left everything here gray and dark, and I come back and everything on my garden, it's green, so you can see right here. One of my subscribers been asking me to make a sound test for the new wireless microphone system that I buy a few weeks ago. Link in the description below to that video. So I make a comparison sound with the microphone and without the microphone. At this moment I'm using the microphone. I mounted here on my Ronin S and a microphone on my dash. I'm gonna walk a little and I'm gonna show you a little of my garden using the microphone, and then I'm gonna do the same using no microphone. So you can see here everything is green and nice. It's a foggy right above the sea down here. I'm gonna show you in a second. It's a lot of fog right here. So yes, I left it dark and gray and I find it out just like that. You see how beautiful it is. Very nice. Very foggy, as you can see. Now I'm going to disconnect the microphone and I'm going to do the same and talk to you a little more, and then you can see the difference between with wireless microphone and without the wireless microphone. So now we're going to go up the hill where I live. So you can see it's very foggy also up here. You're going to walk up a little so you can hear the difference between the microphone and no microphone. Connect to the camera. So we go uphill, up of my house where I live, and show you a little of the fog down here. And you're also gonna be introduced to my new caravan that's waiting to be taken on a first tour soon. I will show you more video about that later. But as you can see here, all is green. We go back down to my house and show you the house from the top here. And now, because the camera look forward and I'm behind the camera, so the sound get even lower quality, but you will notice the difference, I'm sure. Just let you know. Again, another look at the sea right behind this tree. Foggy. And this is my house. Again, everything is green, nice, no more dark and gray. Very beautiful. That's it for today. I hope you like this video. Be subscribed to see more, especially the video I make from the last 2 weeks when I've been on my vacation. This was a test for the wireless microphone and no wireless microphone, the difference between the two options. Take care, stay creative, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.